Oh, I feel great. It was a no-brainer. Me and my agent went back and forth, with possibilities, but Zaragoza was always my number one. They've treated me so well on and off the court. I love, the players here. We have a lot of the same players coming back, and the fans. They're so great, and I just love playing here. Everything. Basketball, obviously I want to be comfortable playing basketball, but, it's even further from that. My wife and my daughter, they've gotten friends, around, where we live. That's very important. The people are so very nice here. And, the fans are great. I come to the arena and, every single home game, I'm excited to play. And when we go on the road, our fans still support us on the road. So it was just a combination of everything. Just to build from last year, as a player and as a team. I know we have a lot of the same guys back, but, it's going to be a new year. We can have different challenges. And as far as me, I'm just trying to expand my game. Every year, I'm trying to get better. And, hopefully, I can show more versatility, be here for the entire year this time. And, from start to finish, hopefully we do good. Roja, thank you guys so much for all your support, whether it's basketball or, in my personal life. You guys are so great, and, I hope next year is just even better than this year. Not even as good, even better than last year.